Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this bald filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, to get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do? Tap on the search button. Okay, and search for bald. Okay, we are going to use the first one with 490.4k videos. Tap on it. Okay, you got the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for bald filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon, just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not seeing the effects here, then what you can do, you can tap on any of this video, the first one. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there, it's in yellow, just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.